Hello everyone again. Probably last Pomodoro of this session with Robert Firek. Say hello, Robert.
Hello.
Hey. In which we have been doing very quickly the Berlin Clock Kata, which is the first time I'm doing it. It's actually pretty cool. Last time we left, we have just finished the lamp state from over here. We are gonna do the same for this one over here. I was wondering if there was an easy way of doing it that didn't break anything, but it's not gonna be the case, is it?
What you can do, you can just try to find true, and in the IntelliJ, you were speaking about changing this run tests or?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, I can. Oops, no. I can do it this way. So
what are you
if
trying
I
to do?
Let me see if I remember how to do it. There. Oh, was supposed to have chosen the block.
I think at the end, just move.
State of it.
Capital I-T. L-I-T, yeah.
But I'm pretty sure there should be. Why is not picking up the fact that this selection?
I think you shouldn't put at the beginning. You have slash, yeah.
Yes, slashes.
No, before S. I usually use the top level thingy, like from IntelliJ, instead of using this.
Yeah.
Access to it. It's quite simple thingy. In my opinion, probably it would be faster to do this manually because you have only 4 tests.
Control
Replace
H. A controller. Okay. I think.
So you can write. Yes.
Yes. Second. Let me see if there's I thought there was a way of doing it like this.
Yeah, you can do this in the selection, definitely.
Yeah, but it should appear something like over here, something like this, yeah?
If you press Ctrl R now, and you have a selection still done, this will do this for the selection only, yeah?
Ah, it says in the... Okay, no, that's fine.
Just keyboard, yeah?
No, this one is Vim. This one is Vim.
I told you. So probably you would already finished changing this, yeah?
No.
Yeah, it's knowing this. I usually use this replace. Yeah.
Why is trying to... Okay.
I think because you just switch from the view. Yeah, exactly. Now. Still? Oh.
No, but the thing is that it was before, it was working with... it's supposed to... there has been an update on the Vim idea. So it could be possible that something has been broken. Yeah. Because you could do a replace on a... You can do replace on a selection that you have done.
But you still have it. It's on the selection. If you take a look, yeah. You have this thing.
Yeah. Replace all. Awesome. So
let's
if we run Control SF10. that runs all the tests, which now they will be broken. Solution is relatively easy, so that's fine. Okay.
Control F5. Sometimes this shortcut which you just said doesn't work. The reason is you have to be in the specific context to run it. You have to be in the class which you want to run. Column.
Okay, so we go where I am here. Oops. Go to the next slide, and we have over here lamp.
Can you mark block so it will be? You can just change the 4 lines below, yeah.
Oh, yes, but I do not know how to do it with Bin.
Yeah, it's a keyboard.
No, the thing is that I don't have that much. I know that you can do it exactly the same with Bin.
But shortcut is actually
but it's because usually nearly with most languages I'm using Emacs, which has a completely separate setup of keys here. So it's
you always have your own muscle memory,
yeah. No, at the end. Okay, saved. Run the test.
Nice.
Okay, so let's gonna get in this. I have to remember to put idea out of my global git ignore. Don't like those folders. Okay.
What I do. It should be in the git ignore. Idea, you actually can put some things from the. I put in the git ignore only things which actually you shouldn't commit. The other things can be committed.
Oh, yeah, but when you put it that way, it does not appear on the git ignore. Yeah. So I do not know exactly how it is doing it.
Okay, fine.
So
that's interesting because. Oh yes, yeah, I have this in my global idea. Yeah, I have it. That's true. This time I didn't change the git ignore because usually I just don't include this. I have to change that in this initial projects. What you can do, you can just modify it to git ignore.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so that one is changed. Is there any other specific change that we want to do, or any other specific refactoring?
I think it's simple enough, and I think we just exactly express what we wrote in the test, because now we have this lit and lit, yeah, and we're just saying what our number, and I think it's much better. I think that's it from the refactoring point of view.
Okay. Taking into account that we haven't done the other rows, do you want to do very quickly see what we can do with the conversion of the times?
You're reading my mind. So yeah, because the other things probably will be very similar to this one. I think it will be almost the same, except for specific edge cases. But if we are going to focus on the parsing date time.
Oops.
Block. Opening block and shoot. What we should.
Well, we want to we have done seconds and we have done hours. So we want to be able to return the seconds out of a time.
Yep.
And now this actually is a funny thing. Oh, wrong key.
Yep.
So how do we do this? Because we cannot just our converter, whatever it is. So there's gonna be some kind of converter over here, which is gonna be extractor. Let's gonna call it extractor.
So maybe you should change the name of the context also in such case.
Yeah. Extract.
So maybe you can just even put very specific context, like second extractor should return second from the time representation, yeah?
How do we want to do it? Because we have, I mean, we can have a extractor. Can we do
we have plenty of possibilities. Probably I wouldn't like to split this extraction to different elements like seconds from time. I would just say should time extractor should return components of the time from valid time representation. Right? Because I think focusing on the seconds will be really non-productive if we know what is the format of the time, right? Because we have things inside like columns, and we can just divide this into smaller chunks, yeah?
Okay, so
if it now extractor should return 3 numbers: minutes, seconds, minutes, and hours, yeah?
Yeah. So we're gonna have something like
we can use some triple. Triple is still class in Kotlin, yeah?
Yeah.
So you can
Yeah. Seconds as well as extractor dots.
Even more. So you don't have to use triple. You can just use yeah.
Can you use that?
Yeah, we can decompose, I think, yeah. I think because it doesn't know what is the hours, minutes, and val.
Okay.
So now we have to put some input in the extractor.
At what point do we want to pass we pass some time over here, yeah?
Yeah.
What is time in what is time in Kotlin?
No, don't use this is experimental. I think they're still using Java time. And I think there's a good reason why they're doing this, because a lot of libraries still using. So you have to just do. Just put string. Just put string because this is what we are going to input.
Oh, string. Okay.
Yeah, I think it will be easier for us just to assume. It's not like input from time. It will be some string. Yeah. It also gives us possibility to generate this string from in the proper way. Yeah. So we'll be able to say return components of the time from a valid thing and just generate all the valid times, yeah? What we can also improve here, we can use the, instead of having these magic numbers, we can extract them into variables and just put in the string. Yeah, expected hours, like that. Get some shortcut to extract if you want.
Yeah. There to the right.
Yes. not so simple. Because this is taking the all. You have to put some selection on the specific element and just try to extract. This should. Yes.
No,
Still?
Yeah.
There's some shortcut which is Alt Shift.
It's okay.
Control Shift V, I think, or Alt Shift V.
I wonder if it's. I have to check if it could be possible that it's getting funky with beam selections. What I'm doing.
It doesn't matter what number you choose, as long as this will be valid one.
Yeah.
Yes. Just to prepare this for
over
exactly.
Here we can do. Where do I have my?
Now we know that you have British keyboard.
Yes.
This will prepare all this stuff for being parameterized.
Okay, so we need to create this one, create class, and this over here, and then we create this member function, and this is
time representation. Or
and over here it has to be triple int.
Capital I.
Oh. Okay. So this one for now. It's gonna return
to do. You can use equal to do.
Yes. Keep forgetting about it to do.
You don't have to do return. So.
As well.
This is throwing exception. I think it's not implemented yet or something.
Yeah. Okay, and for this, well, this one
this will be very simple implementation. I think we have to do string and split.
Okay, yeah. So we have time representation dot split, yeah. And we just need to pass the delimiter, which is that one.
We have to map this to ints.
Yeah. Oops, what I have done. Map to int. It is. Oh no.
Just map. List. Yeah. Map.
Map to int is from Java.
Yeah. So.
And over here,
instead of parentheses, you can do block.
Yeah, it's block, and we can do
it to int. I think there's some special extension function on integers. without dollar. 20 euro, please. Without dollar. Without dollar.
Yeah. Okay, awesome.
You have to remove blocks probably and do equals in the extract function, onto the extract function level. Or just return in line 90.
I'm just gonna add the...
Yeah, we are going into all functional way.
Oh, that's... Oh, no, okay. That's not a triple. That's a list. Yeah?
So I think you can do something to triple. Triple itself has something to do with it. So now we have to do map for everything, yeah. Triple? I don't know. That's a very interesting question, yeah. How to do that. Or from triple doesn't have any off.
No, it doesn't look the...
What was off? Triple off?
No, this one.
I think that when you add the triple, when you press dot, yeah? No.
Yeah, that's not the... Triple
So
dot...
Triple dot? Oh no, nothing.
No, doesn't seem to be the case.
Let's ask Google. Yes, Google, tell me. List to Google and Kotlin. List to triple. First problem.
I don't...
So maybe we have to do some kind of... We can do map, to be honest, yeah? Not on another, because map is going to do another element. Some extension function.
Not sure. Yes, company. I thought there was a way of doing this, but
yes, I thought I was thinking.
Can't remember.
List map to. I think the map to. Map to function. Can you take a look at the map to function? That will be cool. Because map to transforming the whole object.
No, but yeah, but map 2 goes through each one, yeah? So it's transforming each... yeah, it's transforming...
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, that's not what we want.
Flat map?
No, that doesn't work either.
So what do we have? What kind of options do we have? There must be some function which actually just... I always forget it. It's very late now. If you press dot now... Yes.
So blah blah.
There must be some kind of way to
I mean,
get the whole list, yeah? Not for each element, but you take the whole list and just do something with this. No.
Okay, there is not much time left, in fact.
Yeah, we can just do it with the if, just. But I think it must be some. I'm going to do some.
Let's gonna put like that. Val. Okay, so it's gonna have to change this now because it's a val. Put it over here. But
components.
Yeah, components.
Yes.
And just gonna over here
Return triple.
Components dot component one.
Not component. You have to take first, second, and third. Something like second.
Is there a second?
I'll try. I don't remember. Probably not.
I don't think there is a gate or something like that. Yeah.
What does it complain about?
Why is he misunderstanding?
Because it's triple, and triple doesn't have. You have to return triple construct. Triple doesn't have like shortcut representation.
Yeah.
So now.
Get one. Okay. Now running the test. That's hopefully that passes the stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not the best. Let's keep this. Let's put this on the refactoring.
Yeah, I haven't played enough with triples to remember what it is, what you can do with. I'm pretty sure there's a way to convert
some list, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'm getting confused with something.
I think definitely something like I would like to have some similar thing to map, but for the whole object instead of taking each individual element.
Yeah,
there must be some function. Now I'm not going to.
That's fine. That's fine. At least we have the basic idea of how this one will work. Of course, with time, we are passing the representation. Time is one of these funky things that you need to be careful of not passing an actual time object per se, or sorry, within the stack time to try to use the time object, create a time object, because of the fact that it will change with every test. But
there's another way to do that. You can just assume instead of, because now we have to write a lot of testing around time, yeah. So if we just delegate this to recognize these problems on the time class, and we'll just pass time.
Well, as soon as we are using Java time.
Yeah, you don't need this extractor, yeah.
Well, no. Oh, good point.
Yeah, we don't need this class. Just realize that if we are going to use time, you can just parse.
Very good
and
point.
Just pass it.
We have been working. We have done the how's it called, the full call to the system, the full flow of how it will work. Yeah, the start time you don't need to have it. Damn it. Because
but it was like good exercise because we just realized by testing this, just saying, oh shit, we are going to have a lot of use cases, edge cases, which probably we won't be able to cover, and we don't unnecessarily generate things. If we already have class which support this part, why we shouldn't use them?
Yeah. And it has the advantage as well. Java time. We were talking earlier on about the limits of the numbers. Yeah. no go over 59 seconds, no go over 23 hours. But Java Time is already doing all that for free. So,
yeah, even we have even advantage, because if we are going to pass this as a PM, AM, or we in such a format, we can just recognize this, quite easily.
Yeah, absolutely.
So all these things probably is unnecessary, but we discovered this by just writing the test.
yeah, it's not the first time. So all of this could easily be deleted. Awesome. That will be all for now. Thank you very much, Robert, for your time. It was
for your time too.
It was fun working on this one. Again, it's the first time that I see the Berlin Kata, and hopefully, people, you have enjoyed as well watching a bit of this pairing session. Say bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.